Hi everyone, welcome to another video on CompTIA A Plus Core 2 series. This is part 10 in this series. So let's get started. So question number 1 in today's video is that a type of attack aimed at exploiting vulnerability that is present in already released software but unknown to the software developer is called. And the options are Christmas attack, zero-day attack, IV attack, or the replay attack. And the correct option is, most of you must already know the answer, and the answer is zero-day attack. So the zero-day attack is that the attack that is unknown in the community or to the developers but is already present in the software and is exploited by the attackers. Question number 2 is that as opposed to the simple denial of service or DOS attack that usually are performed from a single system, a distributed denial of service attack uses multiple compromised computer systems to perform the attack against its target. The intermediary systems that are used as platform for the attack are the secondary victims of the DDoS or distributed denial of service attack. They are often referred to as zombies and collectively as a botnet. And we have two options. Either this statement is true or false. So the correct option is true. This is in fact the definition of DDoS or distributed denial of service attack. Question number 3 is that an email sent from unknown source disguised as a trusted source known to the message receiver is an example of, and we have to select two answers, and the options are spoofing, malware, Trojan horse, social engineering, and on-path attack. And the correct options are spoofing and social engineering. Question number 4 is that an attack against encrypted data that relies heavily on computing power to check all possible keys and passwords until the correct one is found is referred to as, and the options are replay attack, brute force attack, dictionary attack, and birthday attack. And the correct option is brute force attack. And question number 5 is that which password attack takes advantage of a predefined list of words? And the correct options are birthday attack, replay attack, and dictionary attack. And the last option is brute force attack. And the correct option is the dictionary attack. So this attack is similar to the brute force attack but is more advanced, or we can say that dictionary attack is a type of the brute force attack. Which term best describes a disgruntled employee abusing legitimate access to the company's internal resources? And the options are APT, insider threat, grey hat, or threat actor. And the correct option is insider threat. Question number 7 is that the entry fields of web forms lacking input validation are vulnerable to what kind of attacks? And the options are replay attacks, SQL injection attacks, brute force attacks, and dictionary attacks. And the correct options are SQL injection attacks. Question number 8 is that which of the answers listed below refers to a countermeasure against SQL injection attacks? And the options are code obfuscation, database normalization, code signing, and input validation. And the correct option is the input validation. Question number 9 is that which of the following answers can be used to describe characteristics of an cross-site scripting attack or XSS attack? And we have to select three options, and the correct options are, the first correct option is that it exploits the trust a user's web browser has in a website. a malicious script is injected into a trusted website, and a user's browser executes attacker's script. Question number 10 is that a Microsoft online service used for patching up system vulnerabilities, improving system performance, and fixing coding error found in Windows software is known as, and the options are Action Center, Windows Update, Security Center, and Windows Store. And the correct option is Windows Update. Question number 11 is that the basic countermeasures against application-related vulnerabilities include avoiding applications from unknown resources and keeping the already installed apps up to date with current patches and bug fixes. The options are true and false, and this statement seems true to me. So yes, the correct option is true. Question number 12 is that a mobile device deployment model that allows employees to use private mobile devices for accessing companies' restricted data and applications is called, and the options are COP, BYOD, JBOD, or CYOD. And the correct option is BYOD, or bring. BYOD stands for bring your own device. So in this model, the employees or the user, they bring their own private devices to connect to the company restricted data and applications. Question number 13 is that which of the answers listed below refers to a potential IT security vulnerability, and the options are non-compliant systems, unpatched system, lack of security software, for example antivirus and firewall, operating system that got past their EOL, use of personal devices for work-related tasks, or all of the above. So the correct option is yes, all of the above. These all are practices that make the IT security or applications vulnerable. Question number 14 is that a virus definition database file contains detection pattern for known viruses. To be effective, an antivirus program needs up-to-date version of these files, which can be obtained through an AV software update feature. The options are whether the statement is true or false, and the correct option is yes, this statement is true. Question number 15 is which of the answers listed below refers to an SSO account type, and the options are guest account, Microsoft account, administrator account, and standard account. And the correct option is Microsoft account. Question number 16 is that which of the following user groups in Windows 10 can use most software and change system settings that don't affect other users or computer security? And the correct option is yes, standard user. The standard user, they can use most software and change setting, but they don't affect other user or computer security. So for better practices, you should use the standard user instead of administrator. Question number 17 is that which of the following answers refers to a built-in Microsoft Windows account with complete and unrestricted system access, and the options are root, power user, administrator, and supervisor. And the correct option is administrator. So the root account is used in some other system as a administrator account, such as some network vendors, they use the root account on their network devices such as switches and firewalls, while on some Linux system it is also used as an administrator account, which have the complete and unrestricted system access. Question number 18 is that which user group in Windows applied to Windows 7 and earlier version had rights and permission that allows its members to perform specific administrator level tasks, And the answer is already highlighted. The answer is power user. Question number 19 is that which sign-in options in Windows 10 rely on knowledge-based authentication factors? We have to select three answers. Options are username, security key, PIN, facial recognition, password, and fingerprint. And the correct options are username, PIN, and password. So these are knowledge based. You must know your username, the PIN, and password to get authentication. While the fingerprint, facial recognition, they are known as biometric. These are based on biometric features that you possess. Security key is also something that you possess. And question number 20 is that which of the following answers refers to Windows 10 sign-in options that rely on inherence-based authentication factors? And we have to select two answers, and they are already selected. And these are fingerprint and facial recognition. So they are inherence-based authentication factors. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you and bye.